So hi, hello and welcome, Microbehunter here. Well, over a year ago, I prepared some yeast cells and I put them into this little plastic tube here, and I completely forgot about it. And now, a few days ago, when while I was cleaning up all of my equipment, I rediscovered it, so to say. And now, today, I would like to put it under the microscope, and I would like to see what happened to the cells. I do not think that they're still viable. I do not think that they still live, but we're just gonna have a look. It also kind of changed the color a little bit. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Yeah, of course, I would like to throw it away later on. And again, let's resuspend everything a little bit. Okay, let's take a small sample on a microscope slide, and then the cover glass goes on top. And then I would like to see if there's still something interesting on here. So, and this is how the old sample, the year-old sample looks like under the microscope. We do see a lot of tiny little dots. Some of them are moving and vibrating because of so-called Brownian motion. And there's occasionally you might also be able to see a streaming of the fluid. That is because of the streaming fluid under the cover glass because of capillary action. But honestly, these are not yeast cells. Okay, what we have here is, it looks like cell fragments, rather maybe several bacteria that started to decompose the yeast cells. Wow, interesting. These are starch grains. How in the world did they find their way on here? They must be some kind of a contaminant, maybe on the microscope slide. But I just would like to show you now some fresh yeast cells under the microscope. I also put them up, on my stage, microscope stage here. And this here is how fresh yeast cells look like. Much more defined in their shape. Of course, much larger than what we just saw before. And those yeast cells, if I were to add sugar now, they would start respiring, and they would also start to form carbon dioxide bubbles, which you could also see under the microscope. So I just wanted to show you a little bit. Old cultures, they're not good anymore. They started to decompose, and then all of the cells start to die off. I just wanted to share that with you. Happy microbe hunting as always. See you around next time. Bye bye.